what are the counties. These sniffer dogs can assist having sporadic visits to the schools to sniff around. We did that in a school in my former constituency called Kajori, and we got a lot of drugs. The next time we sent them at random, there was nothing. So if you said random 3, 4, 5 times, watawachana na hiyo maneno. So I think we'll discuss with Professor I.G. Kome, how do we enhance our dog section to give it more capacity at the county level, so that the county commanders can assist the schools the day of opening and in between, before, after midterm, and sporadic checks, so that the canteen and the cooks do not sneak in drugs. And you know, protection and deterrence is the most effective way to control crime. You don't have to wait until the crime has happened. Random checks of drugs in schools will deal with the problem, and it will go away within a short time. Again, the county commander, I think Meru, he was very candid. I want to thank you, my brother, for that admission. That is true. I didn't want to talk about it so that you don't think I'm too rough on you. It is true, we have a serious addiction within the National Police Service. It is true, we have had many suicides arising out of addiction and depression. It is true, officers have shot each other because of addiction and depression. We need, as a force, to deal with it. And one of the ways is that admission by the county commander, so that those officers who are past being stopped and have become patients can be rehabilitated.